we have 3 tables created: book, author, and the table that links book and author. Now, remind you again, for M to N relationship, you need 3 tables. One of those tables would be the link table. For one to many relationship, you only need 2 tables. You will add one foreign key to the inside table. Make a note of that. That's very important. Okay, so next we will create the relationship. So go to Database Tools and Relationship. We'll put all 3 tables on our design window. The has author. Okay, let's close this. So since has author is a link table, so we'll put him in between of author and has author. Remember, how do we create links? We will drag one over to an O. See, when I was looking at this has author table, and I see we have made a mistake. We have not done with the has author table design yet, because barcode and author ID combined together would be the primary key. Okay, let's go back and change that. No. So, how do we do that? To the design view. In order to make these 2 fields to be the combined primary key, we'll select the first, hold down your shift key, select the second, and then right click on your mouse, bring up this window and press down primary key. Now what you see, both fields have this little key drawn on it. That's good. Okay, so now let's save this, close this, go to the database tool, create relationships, add all the tables, okay. Now it looks good. So what we can do now is to drag author ID, press down your mouse key, drag author ID over to this author ID. Remember to check enforce referential integrity. Create. You see a one-to-many relationship is created. That's good. And we now do the same thing to barcode. Drag this barcode over to this barcode. And check that. Create. So by now you should notice one many-to-many relationships actually can be break down into 2 one-to-many relationship. And that is how relational databases handles M2N relationship. So we are very good now. The next thing we can do is to create data entry forms for this database.